Question number this, that is the GP. Okay. Now we know that for infinite term AR square and so on A upon 1 minus. Okay. Therefore x equal to 1 upon 1 minus cos square theta. R equal to cos square theta by 1, that is cos square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. Similarly, y equal to 1 upon 1 minus, here is sin square phi. 1 upon sin square phi is cos square phi. Okay. Then we can say 1 upon x equal to sin square theta. 1 upon y equal to cos square phi. Z equal to 1 upon 1 minus cos square theta sin square phi. Okay, beta. Therefore, z equal to 1 upon cos square theta. We have required sin square theta here. May to cos square theta. Now 1 minus cos square theta. Here is sin square phi, we have cos square phi. So make cos square phi as 1 minus sin square phi. Okay, z equal to the value of 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. Here is cos square phi, that is cos square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. Cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. Here is sin square phi. Sin square phi is 1 minus cos square phi. Sin square theta is 1 by x. 1 minus 1 by x. 1 by 1 by y. Okay. Z equal to 1 upon 1 minus, here take x minus 1. Okay, beta. Y minus 1 upon xy. That gives us 1 upon xy minus x minus y plus 1. Okay, upon xy. That is xy upon, now xy minus xy minus x plus y minus 1. That is cancelled. That gives us xy upon x plus y minus 1. Okay, we have need to prove it. Hence proof. So we can so prove it with the help of infinite series. Now next question is the next question is next question later. X y belong to n. X y belong to n such that fx plus y equal to fx fy fx fy, where f1 equal to 1, f1 equal to 3. Then find the value of sigma 1 to n fx. And yes, 1 to n, 1 to n, fx is equal to 120. Find n. Find n. Okay. Now since fx plus y equal to fx fy, take 1 plus 1, that is f1 f1 is 3 into 3, 3 square, so f2 equal to 3 square, f second है, now put 2 plus 1, that gives us f2 f1, f2 is 3 square and f1 is beta 3, so that gives us 3 cube. Okay, now f 3 plus 1, that is f4, f3 f1, that is 3 cube, और f1 is 3. Okay बेटा, that is 3 power 4, so f4 is 3 power 4. If 1 is power 1, okay, 2 is power 2, 3, 4, 4. Similarly, fn equal to 3 to the power n. Therefore, sigma x equal to 1 to n fx 120 equal to f1, f2, f3 and so on. फिर fn equal to 120. f1 equal to 3. 1 to is the diameter. That is 3 square. That is 3 cube. f3 is, f4 is, and so on. fn is 3 power n 120. This form GP A r is 3 to the power n minus 1 upon 3 minus 1. r equal to 3 square by 3, that is 3. 120. 3 by 2, 3 to the power n minus 1. 120. 120 हो गए. ओके बेटा. 3 to the power n minus 2 multiplied by, that is 80. That gives us 3 to the power n equal to 81. 3 to the power n equal to 3 to the power 4. 3, 4, 3, 9, 27, 81. Then n equal to 4. Then is 4. Okay. Now again, f1 is given and fx plus fx plus fy. Now replace x, y, 1, 1. So 1, 2, so f2, f1, f1. f1 is 3 square, f2 is 3 square. Similarly, f3, 3 cube, f4, 3, 4, fn, 3n, and we apply here formula, get the answer. Okay. Now question is, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 0.233 converting fraction. Zero point 0.231 converting fraction. Okay, x equal to 0.231 231 and so on up to infinite. Okay, it is pending form. Now 231 plus 0 0 0 means 0 0 0 231. Again better 0 0 0 0 0 0. How many zeros? 6 zeros. Okay, 231 and so on. That can represent 231 by 10 to the power 1 2 3 3. Now 231 10 to the power 6. Now 231 10 to the power 3 6 9 and so on. Take 231 10 to the power 3 as a common 1 10 cube 10 power 6. Okay, 231 1000 1 minus here is first term is 1, common difference is 1 minus 1 upon 10 to the power 3 upon up to infinite में करेगा a upon 1 minus r is 1 r is 1 upon 10 to the power 3. Go to infinite, s infinite equal to a upon 1 minus r. Here is better 231 1000 multiplied by 1000 minus 1. We are going to take the LCM. Okay, this cancel to this 231 upon 999. The can cancel by 3. 3 7 21 3 7 21 3 3 3. This also can be no, that cannot be cancelled by 3. That is the answer. Okay, beta. Thank you.